BeanThere Coffee had made progress in one branch, but the same queue problem was appearing in several locations. Across 6 branches, morning wait times were still too high. The average wait time was 7.4 minutes. Walkaways were averaging 16%, and estimated lost sales were £18,000 per month. This was now a Greenbelt project. The goal was to reduce average wait time from 7.4 minutes to under 4 minutes within 12 weeks. The team also wanted to reduce walkaways from 16% to below 5%. The Greenbelt started by building a project charter. The scope was clear: focus on the morning rush between 8 and 10 a.m., include 6 branches, measure customer wait time from joining the queue to receiving the drink. The team then collected baseline data. They reviewed 1,200 customer journeys across 4 weeks. They measured queue time, order time, payment time, drink preparation time, and handoff time. The data showed variation between branches. The best branch averaged 4.9 minutes. The worst branch averaged 9.1 minutes. This meant the process could perform better, but the good practice was not consistent. Next, the team analyzed the causes. A Pareto chart showed that drink preparation and order handoff created most of the delay. A process map showed too much movement behind the counter. Baristas were walking back and forth for cups, lids, milk, syrups, and printed orders. The team then used root cause analysis. The main causes were poor workstation layout, unclear roles during peak time, and no standard morning setup. The Greenbelt tested 3 improvements. First, a standard pre-rush setup checklist. Second, a fixed peak time role split between order taking, payment, drink making, and handoff. Third, a redesigned workstation layout for the most common drinks. The changes were tested in 2 pilot branches for 3 weeks. The results were compared against 2 branches that kept the old process. The pilot branches improved faster. Average wait time dropped from 7.4 minutes to 3.9 minutes. Walkaways reduced from 16% to 4.8%. Customer complaints also reduced. The team then rolled the new process out to all 6 branches. Each branch received the same checklist, roll cards, and layout guide. To hold the gain, the team created a weekly dashboard. Each branch tracks average wait time, walkaways, and checklist completion. If wait time goes above 4.5 minutes for 2 weeks, the branch manager completes a short root cause review. After 12 weeks, the improvement was stable. Average wait time stayed below 4 minutes. Walkaways stayed below 5%, and estimated lost sales reduced significantly. This is what a Greenbelt project looks like. A wider business problem, stronger data, comparison between locations, tested improvements, a structured rollout, and controls that keep the process performing. Resources available at SimplicityHub.